The classic double-decker sandwich filled with oven-roasted turkey, juicy tomato, curly lettuce, cheese, bacon, avocado, and a spicy mayo. Who's up for a sensational Sammy? Let's make the ultimate turkey club sandwich. This famous sandwich recipe has been on menus in restos and diners for well over a century now, but we figured maybe this sensational Sammy is deserving of an upgrade. Here's how to take the club sandwich from simple to amazing. To begin, we're giving a plump, juicy tomato a rinse under cool water, along with a couple of leaves of curly lettuce. You can then cut the tomatoes into slices, plus have a ripened avocado at the ready, split, scoop, and slice the avocado as well. So lettuce and tomato have always been components in a club sandwich. The avocado is an upgrade, and so is this enhancement to mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of a favorite mayonnaise into a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce, plus use this good stuff, 1 teaspoon of Weekend at the Cottage original or spicy barbecue sauce. Then do a little drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Stir thoroughly to combine. Okay friends, look for chili garlic sauce in the Asian section of your grocery store and head to the story at weekendатthecottage.com to find out how to buy our delicious barbecue sauces. You will not be disappointed. Next up, turkey and bacon. Remembering old school club sandwiches used to have like deli style sliced turkey and sliced ham, kind of underwhelming. So instead, do this. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to season 1 small turkey breast and a turkey thigh with Weekend at the Cottage poultry and pork seasoning. If you don't have that, just use salt and pepper. We're going to transfer the turkey to the oven, roast for maybe 40 minutes until juices run clear. Remove the turkey from the oven. We're going to let it cool completely. While the turkey is cooling, sharpen a favorite knife. Then we're slicing the turkey as thinly as possible. Yes, there will be both white meat and dark meat in each club sandwich. Plus bacon. We're just saying we think bacon is way more flavorful than ham in this one recipe. Whether you oven roast it or cook it on a flat top like we're doing, the goal here is cooked, but don't do your bacon overly crispy. Turkey, lettuce, tomato, avocado, spicy mayo, bacon. We also think you're going to need a favorite cheese. Today we're using smoked Gouda and a sharp Canadian cheddar. The last thing on this sandwich is the bread itself. Use white or whole wheat or a buttery, eggy brioche. Instead of a toaster, lay the bread down on a parchment-lined baking tray over to the oven for toasting. Don't forget to give the bread a flip. We want to make sure both sides get toasted, please. Pro tip, toast your bread right before you're ready to assemble. That's up next. First thing is to butter the toasted bread. Then add a generous smear of the spicy mayo onto each slice. Now, add the curly lettuce, add the sliced tomato, give me that bacon. Second piece of bread gets inverted onto the stack. And the thing that makes club sandwiches so distinct is that we continue to layer, literally taking this sandwich recipe next level. Just keep going, add cheddar, smoked Gouda. Funny how I sometimes repeat myself, more cheddar, more Gouda. Now the roasted turkey, making sure to add both white and dark meat. Tuck on the avocado, then let's sprinkle the stack with kosher salt and black pepper. The last slice of bread gets inverted on top. So the last thing about a club sandwich is its signature look. We're going to take that stack of bread and don't cut it into 4 squares. Instead, we're going to do it on the diagonal. So we're slicing corner to corner and again corner to corner to create 4 triangles Also, you're gonna need party picks. Insert one straight down into each triangle, keeps it all together. Look how gorgeous this is. And to serve, you know me, I do matchstick potatoes and then a simple old school coleslaw. Adding a few additional ingredients, doing that change with turkey and bacon, we've taken a club sandwich from simple to amazing, and we know you're ready to enjoy. Good news, full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a sandwich is this sensational, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. This is it, friends, the ultimate turkey club sandwich. Oh, and one final little pro tip, you can serve like this on a plate for lunch or dinner, or lay the sandwiches out on a board, invite guests in for afternoon snacks with cold beer or wine. This is off the charts delicious. Enjoy. My gosh, stacked, layers and layers, good.